Good morning, dear students. Today we will study about adrenal gland and pancreas. Please listen to the class. Adrenal gland. It is an endocrine gland located on each kidney, fitted like a cap. So when you state the location of the adrenal gland, you must specify their fitted like a cap. The outer region of the gland is called adrenal cortex and it secretes cortisol, and the inner region is called the adrenal medulla and it secretes adrenaline. The adrenal cortex secretes a hormone called cortisol, which includes mineralocorticoid and glucocorticoid. The mineralocorticoid regulate the mineral metabolism like sodium and potassium ions. The glucocorticoid regulates the carbohydrate, protein and fat metabolism. In this you can see the adrenal gland located on the kidney fitted like a cap. Adrenal virilism. It is a condition caused due to the overgrowth of adrenal gland in an adult, which results in development of female characters in male, like enlargement of breast, and development of male characters in female, like growth of mustache and deep male voice, etc. Let us come to know more about the adrenal cortex and adrenal medulla. In this diagram, it shows adrenal cortex, the outer region of the adrenal gland, and inner region, the central region, that is the adrenal medulla. Adrenal cortex, it is the outer part of the adrenal gland. It's the secretion of this gland is called cortisol. Hyposecretion, hypo means if the secretion is decreased. Hyposecretion causes Addison's disease. Symptom: loss of energy, skin pigmentation, loss of weight, nausea. Nausea means vomiting tendency. Hypoglycemia means blood sugar level will go down. Sensitivity to cold and increased susceptibility to infection. Hypersecretion, if the secretion is excess. It's a hypersecretion causes Cushing syndrome. Symptoms: obesity. Obesity means motapan. Hyperglycemia, osteoporosis, weakness, salt and water retention. Adrenal medulla. Adrenal medulla secrete adrenaline. Adrenaline is an emergency hormone because it prepares the body for a fight or for a flight. So when a person is in emotional stress or in angry emotional stress, this hormone's secretion increases and prepare the body to face in that emergency condition. This gland is stimulated by autonomic nervous system. So when we studied about sympathetic and parasympathetic system, whatever points we discussed, the same belongs to this gland too. Let us see the body part. Heart. Effect of adrenaline: heart beat faster, blood pressure increases. Biological advantage: send more glucose and oxygen to the muscle, and we have thumping heart. The breath is center of the brain. Faster, deeper breathing, increased oxygen to the blood, rapid removal of carbon dioxide. Arterioles of the skin, constrict them. Less blood going to the skin means more is available to the muscles. Arterioles of the digestive system, constrict them. Less blood to the digestive system allows more to reach to the muscle. Muscles of the body, tense them, ready for immediate action. Liver, conversion of glycogen to glucose. And fat deposit, conversion of fat into fatty acid. So these are the biological advantages of having the effect of adrenaline with our body. So dilation of the pupil, then piloerection, all are the effect of adrenaline hormone. Next is pancreas. Pancreas is located below the stomach in the duodenal loop at the left side of the abdomen. It is a heterocrine gland. This is because it has endocrine function of secreting hormones like insulin and glucagon, and it has exocrine function of secreting enzymes like amylopsin and trypsin. So when you speak why pancreas is known as a heterocrine gland, then your answer should have 6 important keywords. One is endocrine, hormone, insulin, then exocrine, enzymes, and one example of enzyme. You can see the pancreas. This is a yellowish colored gland, that is the pancreas. Endocrine function of pancreas we have to discuss in this chapter. The pancreas has some special cells called islets of Langerhans. Islets means a little island. The islets of Langerhans have alpha, beta and delta cells. The alpha cells produce glucagon, which helps the liver cells to convert the glycogen to glucose and maintain the glucose level in the blood. The beta cells of islets of Langerhans produces insulin, which helps to convert the excess of glucose to glycogen and store in the liver. Oversecretion or hypersecretion of insulin causes hypoglycemia. That means blood sugar level will go down. Person may even go into coma state, and like that lower secretion or hyposecretion causes hyperglycemia. Sugar level will go very high in the body, in the blood. That is why it's said that the person who has diabetic mellitus in their body, the insulin is not being formed by the pancreas. That is why they have to take the insulin from outside. Okay, insulin is always preferred to be taken in injection form, not through mouth. The reason is that insulin is a protein based hormone. If taken in mouth, taken in through the mouth, then it may get digested in the gastric juice. Therefore its effect will be nil in the body. Therefore always insulin has to be taken in the form of injections. That's all for today. The rest we will study in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.